हेलो फ्रेंड्स, श्री रसायन देवो नमः। उपनिषद साइंस एकेडमी लिमखेड़ा से मैं देवांग प्रजापति आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। दोस्तों, आज रोज हम स्टैंडर्ड 12th इंग्लिश मीडियम जनरल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री जीओसी अल्कोहल फिनॉल ईथर में से वीडियो नंबर 4 लेके उपस्थित हुए हैं दोस्तों, कि जिसमें आज रोज हम प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल्स के बारे में डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं दोस्तों। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज का ये 4th नंबर का वीडियो, कि जिसमें आज रोज बच्चों हम प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल की प्रिपरेशन करने वाले हैं दोस्तों। क्लास 12 इंग्लिश मीडियम केमिस्ट्री जीओसी, दैट इज जनरल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, alcohol, phenol and ether is the name of the chapter, in which Upanishad Science Academy, Rajkot and Limkheda, we have two different branches. Okay, and I, Devang Prajapati, MSc B.Ed, 8 year of the experience. So let us start the session, that is the preparation of phenols. Okay, now before starting this video, the students who are new in this channel, that is Devang Sir Chemistry, do subscribe and press all button so that you can get the latest notification as soon as possible. Okay, let us start. See, my dear students, last time we have done the preparation of alcohols. Okay, basically there were 3 different preparation for the alcohol. One that is from alkenes, then the second one that is from carbonyl compounds, and the third one that is well known, if you remember, that is Grignard reagent. And then now we are going to start up with the next topic. Alcohol we have prepared, now we have to prepare the phenols. So let us start it. First of all, phenol, also known as carbolic acid. The second name of phenol is carbolic acid. Was first isolated in the early 19th century from coal tar. From where it has been isolated? From coal tar. Okay, all these are the short MCQs. Okay, then nowadays, presently, the phenol is commercially produced synthetically. Okay, we used to produce it synthetically. In the laboratory, the phenols are prepared from benzene. Suppose at the laboratory level, at small scale level, if you have to prepare the phenol, okay, then we used to prepare it from benzene derivatives and any of the following methods. Okay, so now the question is, what are the different methods by which the phenol can be prepared? Okay, so let us see one by one, my dear students. The first one, that is from haloarenes. Okay, haloarenes. Now haloarene means what? You should be aware. Halogen and benzene ring. Okay, this is what the haloarenes. So we have the starter, haloarenes, and from this starter we have to prepare it. The end product is the phenol. So let us start. Chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, at 623 Kelvin temperature and 320 atmospheric pressure. Okay, now here see, in writing part they used to mention in your textbook, okay, that is 320. So, and in the preparation, in reaction they have written the 300 atm. Okay, so it is up to us now. Okay, in writing part they have mentioned not the 300, they have mentioned 320 atm, okay, atmospheric pressure. So approximately you can say that 300 to 320 atmospheric pressure is needed to carry out this reaction. Chlorobenzene reacted with the sodium hydroxide in presence of 623 Kelvin temperature, 300 to 320 atmospheric pressure, okay, and the sodium phenoxide is obtained. First, what it has been obtained? Sodium phenoxide, okay. Now these in your book, okay, they have mentioned it that phenol is obtained by acidification of the sodium phenoxide, okay. So first, chlorobenzene with NaOH, it is going to produce the sodium phenoxide, okay. Then if you acidify the sodium phenoxide with the HCl, okay, you will be getting the phenol, okay. So this is what the preparation of phenol from haloarenes. Again, chlorobenzene react with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature, 300 atm to 320 atm pressure. You will be getting first sodium phenoxide. Acidification of the sodium phenoxide will give you the phenol, okay. So this was the first preparation of phenol. Now the second one, the second preparation, that is from benzene sulfonic acid, that is BSA. Benzene sulfonic acid is also known as BSA, okay, in short form you can call it. So try to remember this short form also, benzene sulfonic acid. So first of all, benzene is sulfonated with oleum. Benzene is sulfonated with oleum. Sulfonated with oleum, okay. Here Gujarati it is written, but then it's fine. Oleum, sulfonated with oleum, okay. And benzene sulfonic acid is formed, okay. This is what the sulfonation, if you have remembered your 11th standard, sulfonation, okay. So benzene is sulfonated with oleum and you will be getting benzene sulfonic acid, that is BSA. On the benzene ring you will be having SO3H. Now oleum is having the formula, try to remember for MCQ, H2 S2 O7. This is the formula for oleum, okay. Then this BSA will be reacted with the sodium hydroxide, molten sodium hydroxide. On heating, it is going to form the phenol, okay. Acidification of the sodium salt gives us the phenol. So it is quite easy. First, benzene to BSA, that is benzene sulfonic acid with the sulfonation, and then acidification. Now here again benzene is sulfonated with the oleum and benzene sulfonic acid. So formed is converted to sodium phenoxide in between. But then see here, this SO3H is converted into O, Na, benzene ring, that is sodium phenoxide. If you heat with molten NaOH, okay, this step number 1 will be done in over here suppose. And then if you heat this with acidification of this, it is going to give us the phenol. Okay, but in your book they have not given such reaction. They have simply given in this manner benzene to oleum, BSA, BSA to both the steps. They have mentioned it togetherly, NaOH and H+. Okay, so directly they have given to us the phenol. Okay, so this is the second method from BSA, that is benzene sulfonic acid. Now the third one, from diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium chloride, BDC. Okay, try to remember the famous name as well as the short name. Okay, benzene diazonium chloride is BDC. Now first of all, a diazonium salt, how it has been prepared? So first of all we have to take the aromatic primary amine. Aromatic primary amine, this is an example of aromatic primary amine. Aromatic 1 degree amine. Okay, aromatic primary amine is treated with NaNO2 plus HCl, okay, which is going to form nitrous acid. Both this togetherly they are going to form HNO2, which is called nitrous acid. So this aromatic primary amine, that is aniline, is reacting with the nitrous acid which has been formed by NaNO2 plus HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. The temperature is also fixed, 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. The diazonium salt is formed, okay, and the name of diazonium salt is benzene diazonium chloride, that is BDC. So once again, primary aromatic amine reacting with the nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, diazonium salt is going to form, that is BDC. Now these diazonium salts are hydrolyzed to phenols by warming with water. Okay, warming with water, and it is going to give us the phenol. Okay, what it is going to give us? The phenol. Or else, suppose if you are treating with the dilute acid, then too it's fine. Here instead of using the warm water, okay, you can use the dilute acid also. This is the option. Okay, and along with that you will be getting nitrogen and HCl will be liberated. Okay, so this is what the from BDC, that is benzene diazonium chloride, okay, aniline to BDC and then BDC to phenol. Okay, then fourth method by which we can able to produce the phenol. That is from cumin. Okay, so let us see that how to prepare it from cumin. Phenol is manufactured from the hydrocarbon, that is cumin. Cumin is an hydrocarbon. Cumin, the second name of cumin, you can also call it as a isopropyl benzene. Cumin का दूसरा नाम है isopropyl benzene. Okay, so how it looks, let us see that. So this is the cumin. Isopropyl benzene or cumin is oxidized in the presence of air, to cumin hydroperoxide. It is going to form the cumin hydroperoxide. Okay, see here what they have done is This oxygen, 2 oxygen they have added in between, nothing else. Okay, you can see that these 2 oxygen and then hydrogen. Okay, so in presence of air, cumin has been converted into cumin hydroperoxide. Okay, it is converted to phenol and acetone by treating it with the dilute acid. Treating it with the dilute acid, it is going to give us the 2 product. One is the phenol and the second product, that is the acetone. Phenol we know, then the acetone, this is ACETONE. Okay, so acetone, a byproduct of this reaction, is also obtained in large quantity by this method. These we can obtain in large quantity. This is the byproduct, but even though it has been obtained in large quantities. Okay, so this is what it is, the extra benefit for us. Okay, suppose if you want the acetone also and if you want the phenol also, then you can go for this particular method. Okay, so that's all for till today. Okay, for the preparation of phenols. Okay, any doubts are there, then you can comment it in the comment section. Okay, what we have done it today we have finished 4 different methods to prepare the phenols. The starter was different, the end product it was the same. Okay, the first method it was from haloarenes, the second method it was from benzene sulfonic acid, the third one that is from diazonium salts, and the fourth one that is the cumin. The cumin method is quite important. Okay my dear students, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा important है, ठीक है, बोर्ड के लिए. That's all. Thank you.